$100 every 2 minutes. It's not a dream, it's very real. Do you want to make $100 every 2 minutes? Then I will literally show you how you can get those results starting from today. It's the freshest way to make money online. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make $100 in every 2 minutes of work. This is going to be completely insane. Like I said, 2 minutes of work that you can do every single day to start earning $100. This is gonna be an easy way to make money online. I'm gonna be showing you the best of the best platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. How you can earn $100. This is available worldwide. No matter which country are you coming from, you can make money with this website. United States, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Philippines or Singapore, it doesn't matter, and this is going to be an easy way to make money online. Make sure to watch until the end, and you know everyone can use this website and this pays a lot of money, so make sure you check out the previous videos. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss it. But anyway, without further ado, let's get started in the video today. Alright, so what we're going to be talking about today is one of my favorite websites for you. Literally, this is my favorite testing website. It's User Lyrics. Now I've done all the research on the best of the best testing platforms. The best of the best, and this is the one, guys. This is one of the best ones, and it's called User Lyrics. Now a lot of people aren't talking about this website, so basically what you can do on this website is we're going to be the testers, right? So we're going to be testing out different products and services from different brands and companies. So basically this is a testing platform that different companies can have their products tested on. That's all. You basically need to know. You can go more in detail and read more of this. So basically what you want to do is click tester sign up. It's going to take you to this page right here. So again, we're going to click on sign up and finish the signing up process. It's going to take us to this page. So we get paid, test websites, software, apps and all the good stuff, and basically just by sharing our opinions. Who of you wants to be heard? Who feels like their voice isn't being heard? I know a lot of people feel like that, especially nowadays. They feel like they can't say anything and anybody cares about their opinions or their side of the story. Whatever it is, this is the website for you. Companies want to hear your opinion. Not only do they want your personal opinion, but they're also paying for it. So you basically can test out these websites and apps and get paid for being completely honest about what you think of the products and services that they're offering. So this is amazing right here. Look at this. Interact with a web or mobile app or any other type of digital asset, and you speak your thoughts and emotions out loud, and as you do so and answer just a few questions, that's all you have to do. Answer a few questions. User testing is fun. Remember guys, this is fun. You know a lot of things that you do that you know you got to make money. If you work in a 9-to-5 job, you know a lot of things you do is not really that fun, but this, trust me guys, this website right here is fun and enjoyable. That it makes you want to keep doing more and more tests and websites and just testing all these different platforms. Now let's get on to the money guys, because this is the main thing, right? Get paid via PayPal. So all you need to have is a PayPal account, and look at this guys, you get paid $5, $10, $20 up to $90. These projects are only like 5 to 10 minutes long, even less than that sometimes. So guys, I'm not joking around. If you put in this amount of work, you can make up to $90. This is really not a joke. This is 100% facts right here. This is completely insane. Now all you have to do is put in your email address to sign up and confirm that you're 16 and above, and then agree to the terms of service in the privacy policy, and basically you can get started now. And I think anyone can do it, because as you can see, it requires no previous experience. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. Thank you.